Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal, and today I was running super late for work. I had 20 minutes to get ready, and this is what I came up with. So if you're in a huge rush and you need a beautiful full coverage, full glam makeup look, stay tuned so you can see how we got this look. First things first is primer. We can never go without primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. We're going to put that on our face. Don't forget to wash your hands, guys, before you sit down to do your makeup. And normally if I was in a hurry, I would just spray my primer water, and to prime the under eyes, we're gonna be using the Smashbox Hydrating Under Eye Primer. You just need a little bit on your finger. Rub that in. So I've had like the craziest week at work. And not even that it's been crazy, it's just been testing my patience a lot. And yeah, it's been really stressful. I'm kind of snapped yesterday, but what can you do? I really need a vacation. Someone take me on vacation. Okay, set in. We'll let that set for just a second. Well, while we do that, we're gonna use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I'm just gonna get that ready and put it on my hand. Ooh, not that much. This is an awesome foundation. It has a matte finish. It's full coverage. It's amazing. I love it. I work at a restaurant, so I need something that is gonna stay matte. I love that primer. You can just feel how tacky it is when using a brush. It's like so insane. Oh, but going back to my crazy week at work, I then read that it was the last week of Mercury in retrograde, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. The universe is just trying to tell me something. I'm like, girl, you need to get your shit together. You need to be more patient and figure out how to be more patient. Because I don't think I've realized like how impatient I can be with not only with my employees, but like with my boyfriend and family members. I think I've kind of always been that way. I'm just always running like 100 miles per hour. Got that foundation on. I can't necessarily blend it perfectly. I ain't got time for that shit, so we're just gonna dab it in. Dab, 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 dab with our sponge. Okay, so we're doing eyebrows now, and I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Powder by NYX. We're just gonna fill in the brows. Doesn't need to be perfect. We're gonna outline them with some concealer. And then to outline them, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair. Lock It Primer by Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Fair. So this is the Naked 1 palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Naked. This is going to be my transition color. So the technique that I'm going to be using for this eyeshadow look is one of my favorites as far as a quick eye look. It's my go-to shape and stuff on those days that I am running late for work. I do a transition color just like this, and I kind of do it sloppy and it's just blended in and whatever. But it's kind of more a little bit darker on the outer eye and then blend into the inner eye. Okay, and then for the lid, we're gonna do a shimmery color. I'm gonna use this color here called Half Baked, and I'm gonna be using a Oliver shadow brush. And I only ever use 3 colors in this kind of makeup look. I don't really know what to call it. It's just a technique. It's just transition, lid, and then crease. 3 colors, nothing crazy. And I'm going into the Take Me On Vacation palette, and I'm going to use this color here called Palm Tree. And I don't take this all the way in, I just blend this into the outer eye and into the transition color. That's why I want that transition color to be a little bit darker on the outer eye, because it's going to make the crease pop a little bit more on the outer eye. And I'm just going to put it in there like that, and I'm going to go in with my blending brush and blend that out. Blending brush, and I'm just going to do outer circular motions right at the top up here and soften that up. Brush off that excess powder. Smooth out the under eyes as well. And then my concealer I'm going to be using today is the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. And then before that has a chance to move, we're gonna set it. I'm gonna be using my Sephora translucent setting powder. Now I'm just gonna go in and set my foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals foundation in the shade Fair. lash line, we're gonna go in with that color out of my Take Me on Vacation palette, and that is Palm Tree. We're just going to blend this down into the corner. Like so. That's it for the eyes for now. Now we're gonna go in and do the contour, and I'm gonna be using my Shade and Light contour brush, and I'm gonna be using the shade side. And for today's contour, I'm gonna be using the Skinny Dip Duo, and it looks like this. Sorry, I'm moving a little bit faster, you guys, but just realized we are at about 10 minutes now with this look. Or we are at about 15 minutes with this look right now, so I realized I had to hurry up a little bit, so bear with me. I'm gonna speed through this. And also, I gotta get going to work. Contour the nose just a little bit, that excess powder on my brush. And the jawline. For today's blush, I'm going to be using the Cocoa Rose in my Sweet Dreams Too Faced palette, and my Sonia Kujak blush brush. And for today's highlight, I'm going to be using my Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Palette. And I'm actually going to use this highlight, no. I'm going to be using this highlight here called Moonshine, which is kind of like a pinky, a light pinky highlight. I love this fucking palette. It is so pretty and so glowy, and I bought it for like $7 at Marshall's. I'll put a link in the description below. I think it's like $8.99 on Amazon, which is not bad because I haven't been able to find this at Marshall's since. I think I've had this for like over a year now, and I haven't been able to find it. So, with my damp sponge and pick up some of that highlight and really make that shit pop. I just feel like being super glowy today. I'm going to go on and highlight the eyes, and I'm going to use the same highlight in the corner of the eye here. The eyebrow bone. Today's mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express. brush my teeth, throw my hair up, and we're gonna put some lip on, and we will be finished with this look today. Now we're gonna finish this look with a bold red lip. And for my liner, I'm using the L'Oreal Color Rich in the shade Always Red. So for my lip, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the shade Ravishing Red. Dang, this lipstick is so creamy. And then let's just spray it with some primer water. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look today. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick 20-minute quick makeup tutorial. I sure did. I'm gonna be on time for work and I look fly as hell. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe on your way out so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you liked any of these products in this video, I'm gonna link all of them in the description below. I try to find the cheapest Amazon links, and then also if I can't find it on Amazon, I will just link it straight from Sephora or whatever the cosmetics website is, like Kylie Cosmetics. So check those out, guys, and I will see you in my next video.